Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Tesla Model 3 charging adapter. Begin by ensuring the car is powered down and charging stopped. Put on gloves and clear the area around the port. Have your flashlight and cloth ready to spot debris. Confirm the connector indicator is off before you touch anything. Keep your phone nearby to monitor the car app if a quick reconnect or lock is needed. In this video, I will show how to remove Tesla Model 3 charging adapter. Position yourself so you have a straight pull line from adapter to port. Press and hold the release button, then twist the adapter slightly counterclockwise while pulling straight out. Avoid jerking or angling the cable to prevent bent pins. Once free, set the adapter on a clean surface and visually check for damage or foreign material. In this video, I will show how to remove Tesla Model 3 charging adapter. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy practical guides, consider The Simple Path to Wealth as a light read that reframes saving and investing in simple steps. It pairs well with practical car care. Both help you protect hard-earned money. If this video is helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the book link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to remove Tesla Model 3 charging adapter. If the adapter resists, don't force it. Press the release and try a gentle back and forth rocking motion. Avoid using screwdrivers or metal tools that could damage contacts. If that fails, power cycle the vehicle or cancel charging in the app, then try again. When in doubt, contact Tesla support for guidance to avoid costly damage or safety issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.